Guys, let's see the use of nested if in Python, and we will try to find the max value using if else conditions, that which one is the largest value. Like here we have three values, A is 10, B is 20, and C is 30. So let's see how to use nested if to find out the max value, although there is another way also, but we are going to do that in a very simple way. So first of all, let's check a condition if A is greater than B. Very simple. And colon. So this is the syntax. If A is greater than B, and this is colon, so this is the angular bracket. You can find this on your keyboard. If it is true, if A is greater than B, then we still need to check whether A is also greater than C. Okay, then we will check this if A is greater than C also. If this is the case, then we can now print, or we can declare that uh, A is the largest one. A is the largest. If not, if this was not, but we already checked A is greater than B, right? So if A is greater than B, then we don't need to check B and C, because A is already greater than B. So A is, now in this case, if A is also greater than C, which is not, even the first condition is also not true in this case, right? So in this case, we'll say else print C is the largest one. So if I say like this, 50, okay. So 50 is greater than 20, 50 is greater than 20. Yes, true. Now we will check 50 is greater than 30 also. Yes, true. A is the largest. So let's shift it, swap it, 50 and 30. Okay. A is greater than B. Yes, right. A is greater than B. Okay, now we'll check whether A is also greater than C. 30 is greater than C. No. In that case, C is the largest one. So we have now A and C are fixed. So we have them here. Either A is the largest one or C is the largest one. Now we just need to check what will happen if B is the largest one. So now we need to check B and C. A and B, we have checked that one. So far, by the way, whatever we have done here is the nested if. So it means this if is inside this if. So this is outer if and this is inner if. So both these we call nested if, or branching, in other words. All right. So if now we need to compare directly, like if A is not greater than B, like this case now, B is 60 and A is 30. So what should we check in this case? So in this case, we need to check B and C. So L if, which is else if, now we see is B greater than C? Because in this case here, what happened, if A is greater than B, in this case, no, it's false, right? So it means B is greater. So if B is greater, we will not go into these details, into these parts. We will simply come here. So we'll check whether, okay, B is greater than A, fine. Now, is B greater than C also? If that is the case, then we can now declare, we are now 100% sure that in this case, B is the largest, because B is greater than A and B is also greater than C. So B is the largest. If not, if B is not greater than C, then else simply print, sorry, now C is the largest. This is just one way. Okay, now we are seeing all the combinations that we have discussed. Okay, so let's run it. So in this case, B is the largest one. Okay, true. Let's make this one 80. A is the largest one. True. Let's make this one 90. C is the largest one. All right. So this is how we do it. Okay. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.